Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Contentful for Headless UI experiences, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with registering for Contentful, visit the Contentful website. On the homepage, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to proceed to the registration page. You will see options for different plans available. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. For newcomers, the free community plan is often the best option to begin with. After selecting your plan, click on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you have access to. Next, create a secure password for your account. Ensure your password meets the required criteria for security. After entering your password, confirm it by typing it again. Now, check the box to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Click the Sign Up button to submit your registration. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Open your email inbox and find the email from Contentful. Click on the confirmation link in the email. This will redirect you back to Contentful to complete your registration. You may be asked to provide your organization name. Enter your organization name in the designated field. You might also be asked about your intended use case for Contentful. Fill in the information based on your project's requirements. Once completed, proceed to the dashboard by clicking Continue. Now you are in your Contentful dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features. You can now set up your first space by clicking on Add Space. Fill in the required details for your new space. Once you've completed the required fields, click Create Space. Congratulations, you've successfully registered with Contentful. Explore additional resources to learn how to use the platform effectively. Start creating headless UI experiences with your new Contentful setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.